He knows the type of attitude you need in order to win. And with that, I want to welcome Dan Lier. Come on up, Dan.
Hi, it's Dan Lier, and welcome to Bold New Strategies for New Results. A new year doesn't necessarily mean new results. So today I'm excited. We're going to jump right into it. And so what you can expect today is about a 30 to 35 minute interactive type disruptive workshop, disruptive keynote, where we're going to break down bold new strategies for new results. So all you're going to need today is an open mind, a winning attitude, and some notes, or I should say something to take some notes with. And we're going to get started. So again, this is interactive, so we're going to do some things. I'm going to ask you to write some things down, because when you leave here today, you're going to walk away with some tools to really set yourself up for a big year. So let's get started here today. So the first thing we're going to talk about today is psychology, because psychology is 90% of our success. 90% of our success is going right here in our mindset. So we're going to start with our psychology, and it really gets down to our beliefs. We're going to talk about our belief system. We're going to talk about the types of beliefs. I'm going to teach you how to change your beliefs. You've got some beliefs that could be holding you back. And then I'm going to talk about action and how specifically to get yourself to follow through and do the things that you know you already should be doing. So let's get started. I'm sharing that story with you right now is whatever you believe right now about what's possible for you moving forward, what you can produce this year, what you can accomplish, how much money you can make is all true, and it's true for you only. So the key to really creating some new results this year is creating a new mindset and changing your belief system about what's possible. And we're going to dive into that right now. This conversation today, take this one thing with you, and that's this, that you'll never out-earn or outsell your own belief systems. I'm going to repeat that. You'll never out-earn or outsell your own belief systems. And I got to tell you, it reminds me of a story when I first got started working with Tony Robbins back years. Bottom line is, acting as if you already are who you want to be puts you in that place of power. When you walk into a room acting as if you are the top sales rep, you give off a different vibe, you do different things. I mean, if you ask yourself the question, if I were the #1 sales rep today, what would I be doing? Boom, you got to make those things happen. So simply acting as if you already are the person you want to be. Current state, desired state. Literally rehearsing your success. So again, I have a certain desired state about the car. Acting as if you are the top sales rep. What would a top sales rep do? So if I have an image of myself, if I can see myself closing a deal, walking in, closing a deal, doing my thing, getting the check or whatever it is, I get a certain feeling. So if I rehearse that event in my mind, seeing myself be successful, but also feeling it, I'm rehearsing my own success. See, because most people, they do rehearse, but they rehearse failures. They think about not hitting their numbers. They think about not achieving, and they get this sinking feeling in their stomach. What I'm asking you to do is rehearse your success. Think about what you're doing, where you're going to be, get that feeling of success, because that's the feeling that makes you successful. When you rehearse your failures and you feel that emptiness in your stomach, that doesn't make you a better sales rep, account executive, or a consultant. It doesn't. But rehearsing your success, current state, desired state, what would you feel like if you just closed the biggest deal of your life? I'd feel amazing. Well, rehearse this state. Rehearse this state of you being amazing, and you're going to see how different you feel. But not only that, the different things you do and the different results you get. Let's do a quick review here. So today, we talked about bold new strategies for new results, because a new year doesn't always mean new results. We talked about psychology, specifically our belief system, and how to take consistent action. Today we talked about our beliefs. Beliefs are a feeling of certainty. We also talked about you'll never out-earn or outsell your own belief systems, and beliefs drive your behavior. Remember all the sales reps with the bad territories, right? Are your beliefs true? Yes or no? Well, they're true for you. Here's what I can tell you right now as bonus information. Half the things you believe right now are not true. Half the things you're worried about are never going to happen. So if you're going to believe something, why not make it positive? You have to have positive beliefs. Why not, right? Create new actions. 2 types of beliefs, empowering and disempowering. Empowering beliefs lift you up. Disempowering beliefs hold you down. And then we talked about what's one of your disempowering beliefs. You wrote that down. Then I gave you a couple strategies to help you change your beliefs. One's called the as-if strategy. That means simply acting as if you already are who you want to be. If you were the best, how would you walk? How would you talk? How would you conduct yourself? What kind of attitude would you have? And then we talked about the neuroscience behind it, how we're firing and wiring, firing new brain connections, new neural connections, creating new wires. And so many people are rehearsing their failure, but I want you to rehearse your success. Go from a current state to a desired state and literally practice. Practice feeling this emotion, seeing where you want to go, seeing the image, creating the feeling and rehearsing that in your mind over and over. You're rehearsing that emotion because you're creating the neural connections, the firing and wiring. Because if you've got negative beliefs or disempowering beliefs, you've created neural connections. And we've got to take those apart and create new ones. So great job. And then we talked about action, taking action. Action separates the doers from the talkers. We talked about no man's land, get out of the should zone, turn your should to a must, and something at stake. You've got to have something at stake to make the change. So great job today. I'm excited for you. Implement these strategies. Get some new results. Turn your year around. It starts right here in your mindset. My name's Dan Lier. Great job, and I'm excited for what you're going to do.
Thank you. Thank you.